So in this video, I'm going to talk about advantages and disadvantages working in tech. So if you are someone who is interested entering this field and working maybe as a product designer, software engineer, product owner, human resource manager, this video is for you. But also, if you are someone who is already working and doing these type of jobs and roles, I would love to hear from you. Please leave your feedback. What it has been your experience so far? What are advantages and disadvantages for you? So I'm also going to talk about both freelance projects and full-time and part-time jobs. And I would like to start with advantages. So first advantage is that you might actually have a chance to work with really interesting people and work on really exciting projects. For example, right now, AI, uh, working in AI is really trending and a lot of investors are pouring money into it. Another interesting advantage is the financial advantage. So, and of course, you would need to have, again, the right portfolio, the right skills, the right experience. And if you have that, that would be pretty well compensated. So you can afford renting on your own. You don't have to depend on your family, for example, or you can even buy your own place. And I think it's just really nice in general to be more financially independent. So this field can give you that independence. And once you have the resources, you can reinvest them into your other interests, like art or traveling. Now I'm going to talk about disadvantages. And the first and main disadvantage is that it is going to be, or sometimes it can be stressful and your well-being might suffer. For example, you might have a very strict deadline that you're struggling to finish your work on time, or maybe you are struggling to prioritize your well-being, for example, going for a walk, having a break, having a good nutrition these are very important aspects. Another disadvantage I would like to mention is the environment and the lack of community and belonging in this field. There is often pressure. You have to be always available, always online, always excited about the project, always be there for a client, and that's great. But sometimes it can lead again to burnout, to depression and anxiety. So, for example, if you work at the office full-time or part-time, the environment, the open office can be really overstimulating, and it might be sometimes hard to focus on the actual work. And if you are a freelancer, sometimes you work for a few weeks or for a few months for a client, and you really invest your energy in this person, and you try to get to know him or her or them. And then the project ends and your client moves on with some other things, some other priorities and other people, and you take on maybe a new project. And so I felt it feels like that relationship that has been built is gone, and it can be really sad. And I want to close this video on a good note. I like working in tech. I worked in tech and has been working in tech for many years. And of course, there are advantages and disadvantages in every field. And so you have to see what works for you and what fits your requirements. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please let me know what you think. And this is a safe environment for you to share your thoughts and how you feel. And see you in the next video. Bye.